This plan right here is just a basic floor plan, but in the next few minutes, I'm going to turn it into fully furnished layout like this. You don't need any experience to follow along. If you watched the previous video, we created this floor plan from scratch. Now in this video, I will show you how to furnish it step by step using SketchUp, even if you are a complete beginner. Hello, is this your first time on SketchUp Modeling Academy? You are in the right place. Tap the subscribe button to join the community as we explore creative ideas together. Turn on the notifications so you never miss out. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Before we start placing furniture, let's make things easier to work with. Switch to top view. Click on camera, standard views. Click on top view to have this view. Zoom your plan to fit. This gives us a clean architectural view, perfect for placing furniture accurately. Step 2. Import furniture from 3D Warehouse. You can click on this icon and sign up with your Google account to access the 3D Warehouse, or use your browser. Type 3dwarehouse.sketchup.com. Open it. This is the home screen. Let's start with the sofa. Type 2D sofa. Search. Okay, we have some sofa here. You can download any sofa of your choice. Okay, let's use this sofa. Click download SketchUp file. We've downloaded it. Open SketchUp. Let's import the file. Click import. Let's open the file. Here's the sofa we just downloaded. Import it. Alright, we have it here. You can use the flip tool to flip it. Let's make a copy of it. Click on move, press Ctrl, copy it. Let's rotate it. For the table, you can use the line to sketch it. Let's have 600 by 1200. Alright, this will represent the table. For the dining table, let's download it. 2D dining table. We are going to download this particular one. Import. We have it here. So it's better to download all these and save in a particular folder so you can use it in different projects. So for the kitchen, let's use the line and sketch from here. We have 600. We have the sink here and the electric cooker here. Let's import it. We've downloaded those ones already. Here's the cooker. Let's place it. Rotate it with the rotate tool. Then move it. If you are new to SketchUp or you don't know how to use the basic tools, I made a video on how to use the basic tools in SketchUp. I'll leave the link in the description so you can watch, or you can check the channel to watch the video. Let's import the sink. Flip it. If there is anything you do not understand, kindly leave it in the comment section. I will attend to it. Now for the bed, we are going to download the bed. Okay, we are going to download this. Let's import it. Okay. Use the rotate tool and rotate it. Let's download the chair. I'll download this particular one. For the sink, let's place it. We use this. Let's download the WC. Okay, let's download this. Okay, we'll place this here. For the shower, we are going to download it. Let's use this shower tray. Please, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore creative ideas. Now let's import the shower. Let's rotate this. Let's adjust this. Then for the television, you can use the line and draw the television here. That will represent the television. Step 3. Check scale and proportion. One mistake beginners make is ignoring scale. Use tape measure tool. Check furniture sizes. Then use the tape. Let's check the size of this. Okay. If something feels too big or too small, adjust it. You can use the scale tool and adjust it. Step 4. Final touches. Now let's clean up things. Align furniture neatly. Keep enough space to move around comfortably. Remove unnecessary items. Then group objects. Select all the objects. Press and hold Ctrl to select all the objects. Then group it. Make a group. This keeps your model organized and easy to edit later. Now let's label the space. Use the text tool. Let's start from here. The living room. Then the next one, the dining. We have the kitchen, the bedroom, here the veranda, here is the entrance. And just like that, you've turned a basic floor plan into a furnished layout. In the next video, I'll show you how to convert this exact plan into a full 3D model. So make sure you subscribe and don't miss out. If this video helped you, give it a like and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.